Al-Muzzammil, he that has wrapped himself up. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, the ever merciful.
يا أيها المزمل
O you that have wrapped yourself up in robes of prophethood.
قم الليل إلا قليلا
Stand up in prayer at night, except for a small portion of it.
نصفه أو انقص منه قليلا
Half of it, or you may however reduce it a little.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا
Or prolong it a little more, and keep on reciting the Quran distinctly and thoughtfully well.
إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا
Verily, we are soon going to charge you with the enormous and important responsibility of conveying to people the message of your Lord.
إن ناشئة الليل هي أشد وطئا وأقوم قيلا
Verily, getting up at night for prayer is the most effective means of subduing oneself and the most upright way to acquire control over one's actions and speech.
إن لك في النهار سبحا طويلا
Indeed, you have a long chain of engagements during the day.
واذكر اسم ربك وتبتل إليه تبتيلا
Therefore, extol the name of your Lord and devote yourself to him with exclusive and sincere devotion.
رب المشرق والمغرب لا إله إلا هو فاتخذه وكيلا
He is the Lord of the East and the West. There is no other, cannot be, and will never be one worthy of worship but he. Therefore, take him as disposer of your affairs, putting your full trust in him.
واصبر على ما يقولون واهجرهم هجرا جميلا
And patiently persevere in the face of all that these enemies say, and withdraw from them in a graceful manner.
وذرني والمكذبين أولي النعمة ومهلهم قليلا
Leave me to deal with those who belie the truth, and who are possessors of ease and plenty, and give them a little respite.
إن لدينا أنكالا وجحيما
We have a variety of fetters ready to bind them with, and a raging fire to throw them into.
وطعاما ذا غصة وعذابا أليما
And food that chokes, and a woeful punishment.
يوم ترجف الأرض والجبال وكانت الجبال كثيبا مهيلا
That punishment will befall them on the day when the earth and the mountain shall quake, and the mountain shall crumble into heaps of sand dunes.
إنا أرسلنا إليكم رسولا شاهدا عليكم كما أرسلنا إلى فرعون رسولا
O people, we have indeed sent a great messenger to you, who is a witness over you, just as we sent Moses as a messenger towards Pharaoh.
فعصى فرعون الرسول فأخذناه أخذا وبيلا
But Pharaoh disobeyed the messenger, so we seized him with a terrible punishment. So all of you be on guard against such an attitude.
فكيف تتقون إن كفرتم يوما يجعل الولدان شيبا
But if you also disobey the messenger sent to you, how will you then guard yourselves from the calamity of the day which will turn even children prematurely gray-headed?
السماء منفطر به كان وعده مفعولا.
And because of which the heaven shall be rent asunder. This is the promise of God. Remember, his promise is bound to be fulfilled.
إن هذه تذكرة فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه سبيلا.
Verily, this Quran is a reminder. Therefore, let him who will follow the way leading towards his Lord.
إن ربك يعلم أنك تقوم أدنى من ثلثي الليل ونصفه وثلثه وطائفة من الذين معك والله يقدر الليل والنهار علم أن لن تحصوه فتاب عليكم فاقرؤوا ما تيسر من القرآن علم أن سيكون منكم مرضى وآخرون يضربون في الأرض يبتغون من فضل الله وآخرون يقاتلون في سبيل الله فاقرؤوا ما تيسر منه وأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة وأقرضوا الله قرضا حسنا وما تقدموا لأنفسكم من خير تجدوه عند الله هو خيرا وأعظم أجرا واستغفروا الله إن الله غفور رحيم.
Surely your Lord knows that you remain standing to say night prayers for nearly 2/3 of the night, and sometimes half or 1/3 of it. And so does a party of those of your believing companions who are with you. And Allah determines the night and the day. Sometimes the nights are long, and sometimes they are short, and sometimes the day and the night are equal. He knows that you, the Muslims in general, will not be able to keep up so long a vigil. He has therefore turned to you with mercy. Recite then as much of the Quran in your night prayer as is easily possible. He knows that some of you may be taken ill, and others may be moving about in the land seeking Allah's bounty, and still others who may be fighting for the cause of Allah. So, O Muslims, recite as much of it as is easily possible for you. You shall, however, observe prayer regularly 5 times a day in all events, and go on presenting the zakat, and set apart a goodly portion of your possessions to give for the sake of Allah. And whatever good you send on before for yourselves, you will find it with Allah as the best of things, meriting the greatest reward. And seek protection of Allah. Verily, Allah is all protecting, ever merciful.